Hello, 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 inquiring minds. I pray you are having an awesome, awesome day. And if you are not having an awesome day, I pray that it gets better. I have a question, and I'm hoping that you can help me with. I'm sure that you are aware that we are in a drought, and that's every state. I'm in Georgia. We are having a drought. I've been talking about water, 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 water. If you scroll down my timeline, you will see that I have been asking, begging, pleading, pushing everyone to get all the water you can get. Not only water, but water filters in case you have to filter some water purification tablets, and water collection items. And I see that a lot of you all are responding now to the message. So please, please get water. I'm not sure if you are aware, but let me remind you, these AI data centers that are going up require lots and lots of water to keep them cool. And I'm talking about like millions of gallons of water. And it's just May, you all. We're not even in the hottest months yet. So in the hottest months, what do you think gonna happen? The AI data centers are going to get hotter and hotter, and they're going to be used more and more because students are out during the summer. Lots of people are on summer vacations, and they're going to be taking their internet places. So data centers will need more and more water to keep cool. I want you to do something for me. I want you to Google and find out how many data centers are in the area where you live. And I just did a deep dive the other day. I mean, I went down a rabbit hole with AI, ChatGPT, to find out in my area, Georgia, how many in Henry County, Georgia, how many data centers there are. And I was just blown away that there are like 5 and 3 in the making. And that's just in Henry County, Georgia. So check the area where you live and see how many data centers, because you will be impacted and affected. If you go down YouTube, if you go down Instagram, if you go down TikTok, I won't say regular news because they don't always tell you what's going on. But if you go down there and just listen to some of the people, they're taking their land to build these centers. And some centers are in locations where the water is flowing in a little trickle instead of like it should. The water is not coming on at all. They're having trash in their water because the water is being pulled, yet they're being charged double the amount for their water, and sometimes triple the amount for the water that they do use. So look in your area and just let me know how many data centers are in your area, and did you know that all those data centers were in your area? Because I didn't. I was today years old when I learned about the data centers in Henry County, Georgia, and the ones in the making. I've already seen an increase in my water bill. Have you all seen an increase in your water bill as well? And it could be because you're being impacted and affected and don't even know it yet. And that's the reason. But my point still is get water for you and your family. Nobody's coming to save us. So you and I have to do for you and I. Hello, hello, hello to everyone who has joined. I am talking about water. And the reason why I have this in the background, it's because I wanted to let you all know something. you can go online to some tree companies that cut down trees, and they have to take the wood chips to the landfill and pay for it. But you can sign up for free wood chips for your yard. Why is this necessary, Melanie? I'm glad you asked. It's necessary because we have to plant food. Not only is water going up, so is food. So please get up, get out, and grow something. So the wood chips come in handy because when it does rain, or when you do get an opportunity to water your garden, the wood chips help keep and hold in moisture longer so you don't have to water as much. Now, I know some people are going to say that, okay, wood chips may cause this and wood chips may cause that. I understand that. However, I come from the school of it's better to have and not need than need and not have. And again, as it gets hotter and hotter this summer, we're going to have more and more water restrictions. You may have some water restrictions now and just not even have read it yet to find out. But here in Henry County, Georgia, we were just sent out messages where we cannot water, after 4 p.m. and before 10 a.m. So that's water restriction. And then it gave maybe like a list of 10 things to do. Water collection was one of them. So I think this is just the beginning of water restrictions. It might even be some planned outages. I don't know. That's just a thought, just something to think about. But if it does, are you ready? Do you have water? So, as of this point, I know some people are going to say, what kind of water? Right now, I think just the kind that you drink. Whether it's purified, it's distilled, it's what's the other? The ones full of alkaline, 9.5%, the purified. Just please get water. A friend of mine went to Sam's the other day and they were out of water. So please get water, whether you get it in a gallon, whether you get it in the bottles, or you get the 5 gallon. And this is just something that we do. I get the 5 gallon one that you turn down inside the water dispenser, and we use that at home so that when we go out, we use the bottled water. And that saves money. So we're only using the bottled water when we go out. And at home, using the one that you put in the refrigerator, and it has a filter in it, like the Brita or whatever kind you choose. Or you can get the kind that turns down, the 5 gallon that they sell at the big box stores, and you have the little spout. Some people have one spout, some people have the spout where it's cold and the spout where it's hot. However, get all the ones you can. Right now on Amazon, I just purchased it today. It's a collapsible, I want to say 37-gallon water container, and it was less than $40. So as of this point, you may not want to throw any gallon containers away, half-gallon containers away. You may want to make sure that you keep those and just fill it up with faucet water. Am I saying to drink that? That's on you. But what I am saying is we need water for more than just water. Am I saying to drink that? That's on you. But what I am saying is we need water for more than just to drink. If something happens with our water, we need it for hygiene, for our pets, for our plants. So we need it for a plethora of things. We just need water. We just need water. So just a suggestion, you might want to save your containers and fill them full of water and put them in a cool place. And you may want to make sure you get water filters so you can filter said water if you need to drink it. Or you may want to get water purification pills so that you can purify said water in case you need. With faucet water right now, it's totally up to you. But please, please, please get water. Get water. Right here, you may want to also fill up your plants, your potted plants, or your bedded plants with wood chips so that it can keep the water, keep the moisture inside of the soil longer to help your garden. Keep the water, keep the moisture inside of the soil longer to help your garden. Please get up, get out, and grow something for you and I, because you and I have to do for you and I. Get to know your neighbor. Please get to know your neighbor. You may have to give your neighbor some vegetables in exchange for some water. You never know. But get to know your neighbors. Again, you and I have to do for you and I. All right. I thank everyone for joining. Get water. Get up, get out, and grow something, family. And in all that you get, remember the kingdom of heaven is at hand. So get your soul in order. Thank you and have a blessed day, all that join. Please let me know in the comments, especially if you are a beginning gardener, an advanced gardener, what are you doing to help keep the water, the moisture inside your plants for this hot summer in the event we have more water restrictions than we already have right now. Just to keep it in, so we have to water less, but yet our vegetation can still live so that we can eat. Peace and blessings, peace and abundant blessings. Much love, family. Have a great day. Until we talk again.